Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a dish Jeere Meerem, and I am using pork for this. So this is pork meat of, it's like 1 kg pork meat. Okay, I have taken all mix, and I am not taken it as small pieces, but I have taken it big pieces, and I have taken around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, okay, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So this is my marination. So I will marinate all this ginger garlic paste, vinegar and salt, and I will keep this for around 30 minutes, and then we will cook this. So it is Jeere Meerem, and I will give you the masala also of Jeere Meerem. So this is my masala for Jeere Meerem. So I am going to use 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, that is poppy seeds. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and I have this 2 Goan chilies, and this is the normal spicy little bit chilies too, and 1 Kashmiri chili. Now this, you can add only one of the Kashmiri or whichever chili you want you can add, but I am using all the 3, and 1 onion to saute it. So I will grind this to a fine powder now, and some cloves also, okay, like around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cloves, and around this will be 30 of pepper, black pepper. You can add more or you can reduce according to your spiciness, but add it as the dish name is Jeere Meerem. So Jeere is cumin, and Meeri means pepper, black pepper. So that's why. Okay, and this is again my grandmother recipe, because poppy seeds she used to always add for this Jeere Meerem meat. Okay, yeah. So now I will add all this, and will grind this to a powder. So this is my Jeere Meerem powder. Okay, so we will be adding this. So I have added this. Masala, and I have added the pork to this. Now I will add 1 cup of water to this, and we will cook this on high flame till the meat gets cooked nicely. We'll cover this and we'll cook. So now a boil is come. I will cover this and cook till the meat is cooked nicely. Medium flame, medium to high flame. So here it is. If you want to If you want to put like this meat in pressure cooker, you can do cook it before and then you can do this way also. But I wanted all the aroma to directly go in the my jeere mere, which I have done. So here it is, the water is reduced and the meat is almost getting cooked. Now it looks very tasty. Now if you want this gravy like this, you can leave it like this only, okay, and if you want dry gravy, then let it get cooked till the gravy becomes very thick, okay. So up to you how you want to have dry or semi gravy. Now if you want to have this with bread, then I think so this semi thick gravy is enough for your bread, and it looks very nice. Try my grandma recipe. Thank you so much for watching this, and pork Jirem Mirem is ready. Thank you.